So there's an entire division of our company that I actually don't really like. And it's inspiring us to change how things are done in the industry. And that really pertains to the service side of solar and the system removal and reinstallations that we're called upon to do. Whether it's from national companies or some companies that have gone out of business, we're called on by homeowners that homeowners are having to foot the bill to remove and reinstall solar because their roof might be leaking, or because maybe a solar company put a system on a roof that was too old at that time and it now has seen its life and it's at its expiration date. And the homeowners are now stuck footing the bill for repairs and leaks and system removal and reinstalls, which are not cheap. So what we're doing here at Marcor Solar is we are taking precautions up front to make sure that these homeowners actually can go solar and actually save money. We do not want to see them spending money and this product that's being put on the house costing them more money to do so. So what we do is we take certain measures and certain steps in our installation to make sure that our homeowners will not face these types of situations and callbacks with us.